No other one. I'm trying that beer.
You really gotta go, huh? You over there dancing and not to the music.
Booty jiggy nigga with the Rolex. Got me reminiscing about my old days. 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no ball play all day. Booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about. I'm just saying turn it down or she finna call the cops. Leave it potting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a pretty quick fix it up and it's okay.
You with him? No, what happened? Are you with him? No, I'm not with him. All right, nah, but he's been cool.
That's crazy, you bailed on him.
I wasn't with him though. But that was my man though. Like, nah.
That was your man, but you were. Where's my mic?
I didn't switch up.
Where's my mic? You go.
Nah, they would have threw me out. If I would have said yeah, I was with him, they would have threw me out.
Cause I'm too messy. Cause I'm too messy. Cause I'm too messy. Cause I'm too messy.
So you're not deaf right there, bro? I can't hear out of this ear right now. I can't hear out of this ear right now.
You call it Stephanie? I call it Stephanie. You call it Stephanie? I call it Stephanie. You call it Stephanie? I call it Stephanie.
Ladies and gentlemen, why would I? Go ahead.
Welcome, everyone, to the Wild Wavy West, also known as North Central and South America.
We're watching out here.
Alex, there
Jeff.
you go.
For now.
It was nice to meet you.
Oh!
You home.
We outside, baby.
Nino Brown from the town, you following me?
Stranger that just wants to say hi. $40 cash.
He's dancing! He's dancing! Yeah, this is brand of yellow.
Oh my God.
I'm Marcella.
Marcella?
Yeah.
TOA.
Yo, I'm paying $10 for a fucking blunt bill.
Be patient and stay wavy, my friend.